Right, okay, so we've now got our hose set up. So what I've done is I've just put it up behind the rear bumper, just simulating that it's out in the rain. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come down into this little hatch. And if I just put a torch in now, if I can just get that on the right area. Right, okay, so we can see that the water is sitting on the top of the vent. If I can just get my camera to focus a bit more. There we go. So we can see that it's running in through the top of the air vent there, quite heavily. They're both leaking on both sides, but the passenger rear is leaking a lot heavier than the driver's side. So what that would then do is it would fill up this cubby hole underneath, obviously, this little gadget here. And then that would then follow that guide all the way down, and the place for that to then exit out would be directly on the back seat.